DHFL was not a small unknown company. It was once one of the India's biggest housing finance name. But the shocking part is this. A company that looked strong from outside was finally taken to insolvency after governance concern, payment default, liquidity stress and collapsing investor confidence. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can reach 1000 subscribers. Because DHFL story is not just about one failed company. It is a warning for every investor who only check profit, loan growth, and share price, but ignore the quality of borrowing, cash flow, and management behavior. DHFL's business looks simple. It borrowed money from banks, mutual funds, bond investor, and other lenders. Then it gave housing loan and property back loan to customer. On paper, this looked like a beautiful business. India needs housing. Middle class families wanted home. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities were growing, and housing finance company were getting massive investor attention. But here is where the real story starts. An NBFC does not fail only because it gives bad loan. It can also fail when its borrowing side became dangerous. If a company borrows short-term money and gives long-term loan, it needs continuous refinancing. That means old debt must be replaced with a new debt again and again. This works perfectly in good time. But when trust disappeared, the same model became a trap. After the IL&FS crisis in 2018, the NBFC sector faced a severe liquidity shock, and the companies dependent on market borrowing came under pressure. DHFL was one of the biggest name caught in that storm. Most investors completely missed this. They were looking at loan book size, but the real question was not just how much has DHFL lent. The real question was how safely has DHFL funded those loans. When lenders start doubting repayment ability, the company's entire model come under pressure. And this changes everything. In November 2019, the Reserve Bank of India superseded DHFL board because of governance concern and defaults in meeting payment obligation. An administrator was appointed. Soon after, RBI moved the company into insolvency proceeding, making DHFL a landmark case in India's financial sector resolution framework. But liquidity was only one layer. The deeper fear was asset quality and governance. Investors slowly realized that numbers on balance sheet can look clean until the cash does not come back. In lending business, reported profit can be very misleading. Interest income may be book, loan book may grow, asset may increase, but if collection quality is weak, if borrower are connected, if exposure is concentrated, or if loans are rolled over instead of recovered, the balance sheet can hide risk for years. This is exactly why banking and NBFC investing is very different from normal business investing. In FMCG, you can see sales. In retail, you can see stores. But in lending, the real product is trust. And once trust break, the fall is very fast. DHFL's resolution letter saw Piramal Group's 37,250 crore plan approved by NCLT, while outstanding creditor claim were far higher, showing how badly value can be destroyed. This is the key investor lesson. Never analyze an NBFC only through growth. Analyze liability maturity, analyze borrowing cost, analyze credit rating movement, analyze cash flow from operation. Analyze exposure to developers and group link entities. Analyze whether profits are backed by real collections, and most importantly, analyze management credibility before valuation. Because in financial companies, governance is not a soft factor. Governance is the business model. DHFL teaches us that fast growth, big asset, and strong market image can still collapse if foundation is weak. A safe looking lender can become dangerous when liquidity dries up. Asset quality is doubtful and related party exposure destroys trust. So the next time when you study any NBFC or any housing finance company, do not ask only whether it is growing. Ask whether it can survive when money becomes tight. That one question can save your capital. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment your opinion on DHFL. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.